Morning everyone, I am Priya Rathod from class 10 and I am Askarati. Before beginning, just have a smile on your face and enjoy the program. It is our culture to remember God Almighty before anything we do or start. So, let us begin this special assembly seeking the blessings and presence of God. I would like to invite choir group to lead the prayer. Let's join our hands. Close our eyes. Prayer.
Om Namo Ariyantanam, Om Namo Siddhanam, Om Namo Aradhyanam, Om Namo Vajayanam, Namo Name Sarvasahunam, Eso Panchanamukkara, Sarva Pavakanasana, Mangalananchke Sarvesi, Paramam Havai Mangalam, Namo Namo, 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 Namo Namo.
Guru Shloka.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Let's humbly join our hands, bow our head and greet all the teachers. Shlokas which help to calm the mind into a meditative state, which sharpens the mind, helps in healing, normalizes heart rate and helps to be calm. It is very important aspect of our culture and tradition. So here comes Chinmay to chant the shloka.
A very pleasant morning to everyone present over. I, K. Chinmay Joshi of class 7th, here to chant some shlokas. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Shuklambaradharo Vishnum Shasivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarvavighnopashantaye Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvadam Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhirбhavatu Me Sadam Pratamo Hanumannama Dvitiyo Bhima Evacha Purna Prajna Tatiyastu Bhagavat Karya Sadhakam. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Nathaya Raghunathaya Sitaya Pataya Namaha Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Now I would like to chant Dhyana Shloka of Bhagavad Gita. Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grahitham Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambattvamanusandathamini Bhagavad Gite Bhavaddeshiniim Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullaravindayata Patranetra Enatvaya Bharata Taila Purna Prajwalito Gnanamaya Pradipah Prapannaparijataya Totravetraikapanaye Gnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamrutaduhe Namaha Sarvopanishado Gavo Dogdha Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsas Sudhir Bhokta Dugdham Geetamrutam Mahat Vasudevasutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Thank you.
It is not that easy for everyone to chant the sloka. Thank you, Chinmay. Let's rewind and go back to our Indian culture. So here comes Aksa from class 9 with her speech. Wow, look at our school today. So colorful, vibrant and gorgeous. Each and every
corner of a school is representing a part of our India. And now this is called India. Have you ever noticed a garland? Different colors, different fragrance, designs, so dissimilar, yet all entwined in a single thread, just like India. Different religion, different culture, different tradition, yet all entwined in a single thread of unity and amalgamation. When we say India, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Festivals, foods, colorful attire. Oh my god. Just look at a calendar and a list of holidays. Sometimes you're cleaning your house, making farad, firing crackers, and sometimes you're playing with colors. And sometimes you're flying kites, and the other day you're sharing your sheer kurma. You will always have something to celebrate here, except your result day. Respecting your elders, touching their feet, greeting them, respecting our parents, our teacher, our gurus. All these manners is a part of our culture. Family and community values are highly fundamental in our lives. Indians are known for their leisure cuisine. I am sure that there is hardly anyone here who don't like vada pav or is not a fan of pani puri or shev puri. From idli dosas to biryanis and pulaus, from spiciest mirchi bhaji to the sweetest rasgulla, there is a room for every taste buds of our tongue. I end my speech by reciting a poem. O India, land of spices and of gold, your culture is tapestry, rich and bold. From Himalayas to southern seas, your people's hearts are filled with love and ease. Let us celebrate this land so grand, with joy and laughter, hand in hand. For India is nation proud and free, where all can live in unity. Thank you. Thank you for your informative talk. Sometimes beauty lies in the simplicity of a traditional look. Music heals, music entertains, and music takes us to heaven. Let us invite Kriti of Class 10th on stage with a melodious song. Good morning everyone present over here. I am Kriti Jalsandi from Class 10. Today I am going to sing a song called Montare. Montare is a ball-inspired song, folk song of Bengal. And I am very happy that I got this opportunity to sing a folk song on this tradition day. कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चल जाए रे, जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चल हाय रे। कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चल हाय रे, जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चल हाय रे। उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे, जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे, कि देखो न भाले न जाने न दाए रे। दिशा हारे के मन बुका मुंता रे, दिशा हारा के मन बुका मुंता रे। कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चल जाए रे, जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चल हाय रे। उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे, जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे, कि देखो न भाले न जाने न दाए रे। दिशा हारा के मन बुका मुंता रे, दिशा हारा के मन बुका मुंता रे। फतेह करे खिले सारे भेड़ जाए दीवारें, प्रेम को इसे धलागे। अगर मगर बारी बारी जिया को उछाले, जिया नहीं गेंद लागे। मती को ये चंदन सा मत पे सजाए रे, जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे, कि देखो न भाले न जाने न दाए रे, कि देखो न भाले न जाने न दाए रे। दिशा हारे के मन बुका मुंता रे, दिशा हारे के मन बुका मुंता रे। कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चल जाए रे, जहाँ नहीं जाना था ये वही चल हाय रे। उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे, जुबां पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे, कि देखो न भाले न जाने न दाए रे।
দিশাহারা কেমন বোকা মন তারে দিশাহারা কেমন বোকা মন তারে দিশাহারা কেমন বোকা মন তারে থ্যাংক ইউ
Thank you, Kriti. We were literally lost in the song. We are going to revel in the beauty of our tradition, song, and dance. Let the rhythm of our roots recall to us who we truly are. Let us call Aditi with her dance performance.
A wonderful performance. To fill our minds with love for the culture, here comes Pragya and Pushpavati of class 9 with another wonderful song.
Good morning everyone present over here. I, Pragna, along with my friend Pushpavati, we are going to sing a song in Sanskrit sung by Gabriella Bernal. She is from England. She liked Indian culture and she came to India and she learned Sanskrit and sung this song. She even wrote this song and she only sang this song. Surabharati Suramya Surabharati Suramya Surabharati Suramya Surabharati Suramya Shruti Sukta Ruchiramala Shatashastra Sutra Mula ऋषिवर्य चिन्तनेया सुरभारती सुरम्या श्रीरामकृष्ण लीला जनहृदय हरणशीला यः पुष्टिताति दिव्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या इह निरुपमा कवीन्द्र देवोपमा मुनीन्द्र त्रैलोक्यवन्दनेया सुरभारती सुरम्या यो भारतस्य महिमा भुवि गर्जति हा गरिमां तज्जन्मदाति पुण्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या इयममित सुगुणधन्या इयमखिल विबुधमान्या सुहिताय सेवनेया सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या सुरभारती सुरम्या. Thank you. Thank you, Pragya and Pushpavati. It was very soothing. We need a person who encourages, motivates us, and takes us to the right path. Now, I hand over the mic to our respected principal, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I have only one request from every one of you. When I said everyone, I include everyone, including teachers, parents who are present in the ground. There is one responsibility that we all have as Indians, that is to withhold and uphold our traditions. Make sure you learn the traditions of your family. Make sure you follow those traditions. Make sure you are proud of your traditions, because that tradition that we have, the culture that we come from, is our identity. So one should not hesitate. One should not have any inhibitions while following the traditions. It's something to be proud of. Look at you, each one of you today. You are looking so beautiful, so colorful. And that's what makes India a land of colors, a land of culture, a land of tradition. That is why India is a unique country in the world. World appreciates that. World is learning from us. You see, every year there are lots of people who come to India to enjoy the tradition, to learn the tradition. There is a European girl, I don't know whether she's from Russia or anywhere, she's blind, but she is learning all the shlokas of Indian traditions. That is from our shlokas, Hindu shlokas. She recites them so beautifully. Imagine her love for the shlokas or the culture of India is so much that she gets them in Braille and she learns that and she recites them. See, that is what the West is learning from us. They are learning our traditions. They are respecting it, joining two hands together to do one namaskara. A simple way of respecting or greeting someone. Everything is being imbibed from them, from us, and they are imbibing that into themselves. And we are day and day are losing those traditions out. So I request you to watch your parents, to watch your grandparents, see what they are doing, how they are following the traditions. And tradition is not just a costume. Tradition is the practices and it is about discipline. So I hope everyone standing here will respect their tradition, will go and learn more about their culture and will be proud enough to carry forward with that. With that, I just wish everyone a wonderful day today. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we have come to the end of our program.
School attention. National anthem.